Hello, this is Abhinandan with Mr. Rajesh. Right now I'm going to show you how you get a message and how you can open and register. Now Mr. Rajesh is opening his WhatsApp. Where's your WhatsApp? Your WhatsApp. He's opened his WhatsApp right now. Now this is the link I've sent him over there. This is the message I've sent him. This is the link. Take a look at this amazing app. Now this is the link. I click on the link like this. You have to open through Play Store. I click on Play Store just once. Now it is opening on Play Store. Now it is installing for him the Mazuma app. This is an app through which you can earn money worldwide from 200 countries working on your mobile for 30 minutes per week. And by referring others through the WhatsApp, you can earn daily 1,000 rupees to 4,000 rupees per day. You should see that app is 4.4 MB. See, it is there mentioning is installed. This is a 4 GB. It's a very powerful mobile, so it's already installed right now. Now I will just open and will make the registration. Now I sent him a link, so you can send a link to your friends. Now open. Now it is opened right now. We are going to register him. Register his account. It's a free account. Then I'll show you how it will be a paid account. Now you have to enter your sponsor ID. Now that is MYBZDOTIN. Verify. Now my username came here, myBZ.in. Now Mr. Rajesh will register. Rajesh, tell me your full name. RAJESAH. Am I right? Then anything else is there? No. No. RAJESAH. Anything, one more word to add? It may not come with that because someone will have taken this one.
Rajesh Yen.
Rajesh Yen. Give me your number.
900.
900. 33. Wow.
600.
600.
00.
Have I typed correctly?
Yeah.
Your email ID?
The same.
Very good. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Now I'll put the pin as 1 2 3 4. You can change it later inside. Okay. 1 2 3 4. Okay. 1 2 3 4. Okay. Terms and conditions I agree. Submit. Now Rajesh is joining with 2,500 rupees. Rajesh is already registered. Okay, now yours is not activated. Now if you see pay package, buy package, it will show $20. Starter, it will show $20. Now if you say buy, if you click on buy, you have to have money either in Perfect Money or Bitcoin or buy from eCash. When you pay 1,350 rupees or for supporting tools, you're paying 2,500 rupees. When you pay 1,350, $20 will come. You saw that time. Okay. See, now it says insufficient balance, try another method. Now I go here. If you just go here to this one, you see less links over here. You can share it to your friends. Now you can click over here. WhatsApp, you share it with me only right now. Don't share it with the other friends. This is Abhi. Now I click here. Now your link already came here. See Rajesh Yen. People can register.
Okay.
They can click on this and they can.
D Rajesh.
Huh? No, 3D. That is in the top link. After 3D, everyone will have 3D. See mine also 3D.
Okay.
Okay. After that, that is a code. Okay, the Rajesh Yen, it will be there. Now people can open this. Now don't send it to your friends until you have the tools, until you have the images, everything for you. Now this is Rajesh. Now I go back over here. You can send your link like this. Now we go to the. Now here you can change your login pin here. You can log out over here. You can buy packages over here. The moment you activate your account by buying for $20, that is 1,350. You will have more links over there. You can start building the business worldwide. You can earn daily 1,000 rupees to 4,000 rupees and later per week 5,000 to 10,000 to 20,000 rupees per week. Please do not come to a conclusion very fast. Please contact Mr. Rajesh, okay, on the WhatsApp which is connecting to you. And for the support, you can contact me. Thank you very much. I hope you understood something right now. We will show you in another video how to activate it. Thank you very much.